welcome to HueTrition Live. I'm Monica, your host. I'm the CEO and founder of HueTrition, and today we're talking about the topic, what should be in your pantry and in your fridge. So I get those questions, and I think sometimes we tend to complicate things, but if you just focus on what should be the staple in your pantry and your fridge, then it becomes a lot easier. So whatever makes it to the grocery shopping cart, then makes it to your pantry and fridge. So what's in my pantry and fridge? One of the things that I really believe in is focusing on protein, and you want to have a healthy source of protein that you can eat in a lot of different occasions. So you want the breakfast, the lunch, the dinner. So for me, one of the things that I keep very handy is yogurt, and there's a lot of different varieties of yogurt. You want to be paying attention to the macros and the nutritionals, and what I mean by that, you want to pay attention to the calories, the fat, the protein, the carbs, and the sugar. So these two brands I really like. The Chobani brand, for example, there is the plain version, and I would recommend that over other versions so that you can add fresh fruit like blueberries and increase like your protein content with nuts or whatever you may like. You can sprinkle a little honey there, but really you can't beat this. This is the Greek yogurt version. It has 80 calories per serving on here, and it has about the protein content is 14 on this one, and it has 6 grams of total carbs. So you really can't beat that, and it has 0 fat. So for 80 calories, you can't go wrong with that. On the Siggi brand, I have here as an example the vanilla version, and it has 110 calories, again 0 fat. Your protein content is 15, I believe, for this one, and also your carb is 12 with the sugars 9. So again, you can beat this. You can do it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, really, or you can take it as a snack. I really highly recommend it. So there's other versions, but these are two of my favorite. And if you want to learn more about what we recommend to be in your pantry or your fridge, you can go to our blog. It's HueTrition.com/blog, and we have a whole list of what we consider things that should be a staple in your household. So you cover the protein, and the other half should be fruits and veggies, and there it is. There's a healthy lifestyle right there. I encourage you to go to our website. Again, our blog is HueTrition.com/blog. Thank you for watching. If you haven't done so already, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Stay colorful.